This is Linville Gorge. This is 2018. This is the Mountains to Sea Trail. And in 2017, I hiked the Mountains to Sea Trail from Elkin, North Carolina to Linville Gorge here at Pinnacle, documenting the journey to share with you all, to show you what the MST is like and to encourage you to get out here and enjoy the trail. This year, I will continue that journey. 2018, I will hike from here at Pinnacle at Linville Gorge on the other side of Linville Gorge, so I won't be in the gorge this year. I've passed that point. I'm hiking to Pisgah Inn on the other side of Asheville. So I hope you join along with me on this hike. I will also be hiking this year from Elkin, North Carolina to Greensboro, North Carolina to Bryan Park. So that will be about 200 miles on the MST. I will be sharing it here on YouTube. Hope you follow along. My hands are cold. It's about 9 degrees up here and it's going to be a cold day. Let's get to hiking. The first part of the MST heading this direction follows the old Kistler highway for 0.8 of a mile. Here is the first wildlife that we've seen here on the Mountains to Sea Trail 2018. This is a white-tailed deer. We are now going to be leaving the Kistler highway. So here we are now officially leaving Linville Gorge. We are coming down now. This is probably 1.3 miles into the hike. As stated earlier, we are going for 14 miles today. We'll be wary of spots like this that are ice. As also stated earlier, it has been cold up in the North Carolina mountains, or heck, North Carolina, heck, the United States. It's been really cold this year. This, I believe, is the solo creek crossing today. The beauty of this creek is two streams converge here to form one stream. First creek crossing of 2018 on the Mountains to Sea Trail. Over Mountain Victory Trail. Cool. Okay, since leaving the over Mountain Victory Trail, we've been on a gravel road here for possibly maybe get close to a half mile now. Here is the communication tower. So we have been walking on the road since the intersection where the over Mountain Victory Trail went across. And it looks like we're finally going back into the woods. Welcome foot travel. But once again, if you're on a bicycle, if you're on a horse, if you're on an ATV, get up out of here. This is not for you. I am wearing my Keep Pounding shirt, my Keep Pounding hat today.
That's why it's so cold.
That's why I'm so cold. Keep pounding these boots up on the ground. Whoa. Not the sound you want to hear. One of those keep moving moments. Okay, through the woods here. I don't know if we can see it on the screen, but that is the Black Mountains. We're near the top of Dobson Knob. The Black Mountains all the way up to Mount Mitchell. Here we are, getting ready to come down the mountain. You can even hear me with the wind. So, long way down. This is the camera looking straight. It's tilted probably at about a 45-degree angle down, and that's what it looks like. So this is a very steep grade. Looking back at the direction we came from, you can see Short Off Mountain and Table Rock, and up here is Dobson Knob, which we just came off of. So it's a beautiful day out here on the North Carolina Mountains to Sea Trail. This is the trail condition here, and the one thing you can't see but maybe you can hear is the wind. Here we are coming down the mountain. This feels a whole lot like still being in Linville Gorge. There's also been a lot of switchbacks coming down the mountain. We just came back off the mountain and we have arrived at this view. We're getting probably closer to the bottom of the hill, but I wanted to show some of the remains of some of the wildfires this area has experienced. next interest point for us should be the bridge over the North Fork of the Catawba River. I just want to say it feels good to be back out here. I think the last hike on the MST was in mid-October, so it's very cool to be back out here. I see a blaze on the other side. Just came up another ascent, guessing that we're about 2.0 miles away from the car, walking through an open field. 1.7 miles to go. Tough day here on the MST with the weather, the hills, the terrain. Okay, we are coming down the hill now. I believe we're on the last mile of the hike. It's still cold, was colder earlier on, was definitely colder at the top of the mountain, and we are trying to decide. The biggest decision right now that we have on the trail is if we want to eat Japanese food or if we want to eat burgers. Ladies and gentlemen, we have had a bear here. It's hard to tell how fresh it is because the stuff probably froze on first touch with this wind. It could be in the little cave there. Could be crawled up in that rock and comes out on occasion to check for food and poop. Yeah, they could have took turns. There could have been a bunch of small bears. Like, hey, let's poop here. Let's poop on the trail.
Oh, it doesn't look like the cave's going in there.
Happens a lot. On the Mountains to Sea Trail. This open field means we're half a mile away from the car now. First hike of 2018. Definitely was a challenge. It's like we're playing Frogger. There's another one too. Let's start walking halfway. Frogger. Donald here. Oh goodness, here comes the car. It's like Final Destination.
You got me, dude.
Yeah.
I was out.
First hike on the Mountains to Sea Trail 2018 is over. Come back and join us for the next hike when we return to the Blue Ridge Parkway on the Mountains to Sea Trail. We'll be hiking probably to Highway 80, where 80 intersects with the Blue Ridge Parkway. And we'll start right there. Until then, happy hiking to each and every one of you. Get out, enjoy the trails this winter. Peace out.